set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the bone. Ding dong, call me on my phone. Let's see how to get my ping pong.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Erwin.
Okay, class, today we will discuss about studying Earth's interior. Kindly open your book on page 44. Okay, class, what is P waves? Okay, De La Cruz, please read the P waves.
The P wave, or primary wave, is a pulse energy that travels quickly through the earth and through liquids. The P wave travels faster than the S wave. After an earthquake, it reaches a detector first, the reason why it is called primary. The P waves, also called compressional waves, travel with particles vibrating parallel to the direction the wave traveled. They force the ground to move backward and forward as they are compressed and expanded. Most importantly, they travel through solids, liquids, and gases.
Okay, very good. P waves, or the primary waves, travel quickly through the earth and through liquid. And how about the S waves? Okay, Jamaica, please read S waves.
Rolling motion that shakes the ground back and forth perpendicular to the direction of waves. The idea that the S waves cannot travel through any liquid medium leads seismologists to conclude that the outer core is liquid.
Okay, very good. Scientists gain information about the Earth's internal structure by studying how seismic waves through the Earth. It involves measuring the time it takes for both types of waves to reach a seismic wave detecting station from the epicenter of an earthquake. An epicenter is a point in the Earth's surface directly above the focus. Travel faster than S waves, they are always detected first. The farther away from the epicenter means the longer time interval between the arrival of P and S waves. In 1909, Yugoslavian seismologist Andrija Muharovicius found out that the velocity of seismic wave changes increases at a distance about 50 kilometers below the Earth's surface. This led to the idea that there is a difference in density between the Earth's outermost layer, or the crust. The layer that lies below it is called the mantle. The boundary between these two layers is called Morovicius discontinuity in honor of Morovici, and is short term MOHO. P waves can travel through liquids while S waves cannot. During an earthquake, the seismic waves radiate from the focus. Based on figure on the right, the waves bend due to change in density of the medium. As the depth increases, the density is also increases. Joylene, kindly please read the next paragraph.
P waves are detected on the other side of the Earth opposite the focus. A shadow zone from 103 degree to 142 degree exists from P waves as shown in figure 3. Since P waves are detected until 103 degree, disappear from 103 degree to 142 degree, then reappear again. Something inside the Earth must be bending the P waves. The existence of a shadow zone, according to German seismologist Bino Gutenberg, could only be explained if the Earth contained a core composed of a material different from that of mantle, causing the bending of the P waves. To honor him, mantle core boundary is called Gothenburg, the infinitive.
Okay, class, next paragraph. Who will read? Okay, Rochelle Ann, please kindly read.
From the epicenter, S waves are detected until 103 degrees. From the point, S waves are no longer detected. This observation tells us that S waves do not travel all throughout the Earth's body. There is a portion inside the Earth that does not conduct the propagation of S waves. Hence, knowing the properties and characteristics of S waves, that it cannot travel through liquids, and with the idea that P waves are bent to some degree, this portion must be made of liquid, thus the outer core.
In 1963, the innermost layer of the Earth was predicted by the Lynch-Lehman, a Danish seismologist. He discovered a new region of seismic reflection within the core. So, the Earth has a core within a core. Based on figure 3, on page 8, we can say that the outer part of the core is liquid based on from the product of an S-wave shadow in the inner part must be solid with a different density than the rest of the surrounding materials. The size of the inner core was accurately calculated through nuclear and underground tests conducted in Nevada. Echoes from seismic waves provided accurate data in determining its size. Class, that's all for today. Class dismissed. Goodbye, class.
Thank you, and goodbye, Sir Erwin.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own